Have you ever felt completely broken, like life has taken everything from you, and you are left with nothing but pain and questions? That breaking is not a punishment. Sometimes it is a sign. Allah breaks the man He wants to use. He lets storms shake you, not to harm you, but to prepare you for something greater than you can imagine. Life does not give strength to the comfortable. It does not hand responsibility to the careless. Allah looks at hearts that can endure pain, rise after every fall, and stay sincere when no one is watching. The process is quiet. It begins with trials that feel unfair, burdens that seem too heavy, and moments that shake your faith. You may lose friends, face betrayal, or watch dreams fall apart. It hurts, it confuses, but it is shaping you. Think about the times you felt alone, when the world turned its back. In those moments, you find your own strength, and more importantly, you find Allah. You realize your trust is not in wealth, comfort, or people. It is in Him alone. Every tear, every sleepless night, every quiet prayer builds a heart ready for mercy, wisdom, and purpose. Do not fear the breaking. It is not the end. The cracks in your life are where the light enters. Every failure, every disappointment, every time you feel weak is where Allah molds you into someone who can carry His plan. The man who is never tested may live comfortably, but he rarely makes a difference. True power comes from hearts broken and rebuilt, souls refined by challenges. You may ask, why me? Why this pain? Why now? Allah knows the weight you can carry. He sees the patience you can hold. He sees the potential hidden in your brokenness. He is not looking for perfection. He is looking for a heart that submits, a soul that trusts, and hands willing to act when the time comes. What feels like loss is actually preparation. In your hardest moments, remember this: the cracks do not make you weak. They make you stronger. They make your heart tender, compassionate, and ready to help others. The man Allah wants to use is not untouched by pain. He is the one who has faced darkness, but keeps carrying light, the one who has been humbled but continues with courage. So hold on. Hold on when it feels too hard. Hold on when the world tells you to give up. Hold on when your heart is heavy. Every test is a step toward Allah's plan. Every broken piece of your heart is proof that something greater is being built inside you. Your faith, patience, and trust are shaping a strength that the world will see, a strength that serves others, a strength that fulfills your purpose. Do not rush the process. Do not compare your journey to others. You may feel weak or lost, but these are the exact moments where Allah's plan is forming. Your breakthrough will not come despite your struggles, but because of them. The man Allah wants to use is not perfect. He is real, broken, patient, and strong. And so are you. Remember this: Allah breaks the man He wants to use. Trust the process, embrace the trials, and know that every tear, every pain, every quiet prayer is shaping your destiny. Your brokenness is not a burden. It is proof that Allah is working in your life, quietly, powerfully, and lovingly. If this touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected to a source of strength that reminds you, you are being prepared for something greater.